In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Google Doc using Google Drive. Whether you're working on your latest project or just organizing your thoughts, this tutorial will help you navigate Google Drive seamlessly and have you set up with a new document in no time. So let's begin. First, you'll want to open your computer's web browser. Type in the URL bar and enter drive.google.com. This will take you straight to the Google Drive homepage where all your files are stored in the cloud, safely backed up and accessible from any device. If you're not already logged into your Google account, take a moment to do so, as you'll need access to your existing drive. Once on the main page of Google Drive, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the page where you'll see a colorful plus sign alongside the word New. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to creating new files and folders within your drive. By clicking on New, you are telling Google Drive you're ready to create something new, and it should present you with a drop-down menu of options. From that drop-down menu, select Google Docs. Doing this will prompt a new tab to open in your browser, your fresh Google Doc. This is where you can start creating content from scratch. One of the benefits of a Google Doc is that it automatically saves your work as you go along, minimizing the risk of losing any valuable information. Now that the new tab is open, it's time to give your document a title. Navigate to the top left of the document window where you'll find a text field saying Untitled Document. Click on it and type in a meaningful title that reflects the content or purpose of your new document. This title will not only help you locate your document easily within your drive later on, but it also sets the tone for the work you're about to create. After you've typed in the title, keep an eye out for a small notification next to the title that says Save to Drive. This confirmation means your document is safely stored in the cloud, ensuring you can access it from anywhere at any time. This autosave feature is a game changer, particularly compared to traditional word processors, where you must remember to save manually. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new Google Doc within your drive. Now you're ready to start writing, brainstorming, or sharing with others. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your Google Drive experience a bit more seamless. Thanks for watching and happy documenting.